Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? I just want to go through some of the comments on the video that I published yesterday. And some of us understand what is going on. Some know, but they choose to do something that is going to favor them, like they focus on their personal gain. I've talked about this personal gain before. Some of people say that it's not personal gain. Is that the best way is to call them what it is to them. That it's selfishness, or some say they are stupid and all that. But to me, many people that we hear their voice or see them today talking about our people, what they're going through, what's happening in our land, are saying that based on what they want to gain, not because they actually care for you. And I discussed that last night. I told us about some of us who claim that they are worried about what is going on in our land. In fact, they appear to be a savior. They want you to see them as a savior or someone who actually know your problem, and they have identified that they're going to offer solution to you. But the truth is that they are saying those things because of what they want to gain. Once you take it away from them, then you see their true color. Are you getting my point? So I don't want to start calling them now, but let us just go through the comments. Then if you have anything to say about it, we're gonna say it. But before then, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I have to thank many of you that are all of you that have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate you. That's all I can say now. And thank you so much. Now, we saw one guy that decided to threat Biafrans. It's not about me. He threatened even you. He said that those that are contributing money, they are marking their face. And by so doing, he's willing to do and not do, right? And he called my name, that nobody should listen to me, and Kelela TV, that we are the problem that he's facing in his own life. I am not here for that, but if we may touch his issue on this broadcast, if time permits us. But the reason why we are here this morning, this afternoon, this evening, depending on time zone, is because of some comments. Like this person called Chusin Kachi said, that is Chusin Kachi, Chusin Kachi 2980. Everything is one word in YouTube. He said, "My brother, greetings. My own observation from Ngozi is that she is destroying Mazi Samonekpa's work by pushing all our Biafran people in danger, in dangerous situation, by exposing Biafrans who are donating money. She make the account in homeland open, and also here, and also I think she wanted to say and okay, and also her so-called governors so much afraid because Ngozi has exposed them. Even their numbers are on public. She came the other day by telling us, there's some words missing here. That's why I'm trying to delay it to make sure that it makes sense. She came the other day telling us that every she no that let me see how I can make it to make sense. Like I said, she came the other day telling us that everything she brings, that every of her plan, that should be the best word, but not let me read what she said here. Telling us that every she will bring plan. So it doesn't make sense, right? So I think it should be that every every everything that she's bringing, that will take people to Nigeria. Okay, this guy is talking about the plane. Okay, not plan. It should be plane. She came right there telling us that she will bring plane that will take people to Nigeria. Chai. That's the correct sentence, because he missed some words there. Now, he said he don't believe. Do you understand it? That COS is the right person, and he mentioned few things that makes him to believe like that. Okay, the answer is this: I condemn bringing, revealing numbers. You want to reveal people's numbers in homeland, even anywhere at all. Seek their private life. You don't need to do that. I'm not in support of it. I said it day one. But is it enough reason for you to start, now passing the government stored? Is it enough reason? People who are in homeland, if they notice that she's bringing this, they should raise alarm, raise alarm, and people will join you that know, like they have done. And people have actually said, no, don't do that way. She said that we don't need to be afraid, which is true. If you want to be a government country, you don't need to be afraid. Ambassadors are not afraid. Not that you are not afraid, not that you should put your head, they cut it off, no. But at least be vocal and stand on what you are saying. If hiding is just going back to the square one. But the government also need to help people by not revealing the number. That's true. And I don't think she's doing that as we speak. Now, if you know that she's doing that, why and you agree to be a governor, you agree. Then when you notice that maybe you don't know before that your number will be revealed or something like that, then you can decline. When you decline, then you don't need to start pulling the government down because of that incident. Because if you do, it simply means that you are trying to criticize the government, not because of what the government have done, the mistakes that you have noticed, but you are tearing everything apart because of one thing that you don't like. No country in this world have their policy accepted by everybody in the country. No country. And if you think that that's enough reason for you to tear the government apart, remember the country that you yourself are living now. For some of you in abroad, do you agree with every policy in that country? The answer is no. Even in US, you cannot live. There's no country in this world that every single soul in that country is happy with everything the government is doing. It's not done anywhere. Why our own will be different? Some people said that they don't like a few weeks ago they were clapping and singing praise of USB. Now USB is not a terrorist organization according to them, and they're terrorizing everybody. Therefore, they're out to reverse what they said in the past and doing all manner of nonsense to paint the government bad. Just understand it, because this is not about one person. It is about everybody. Some of you may know that, some may not, but it is about everybody. Okay? Then he said again that she came out other day telling us that she's bringing plane that will take people to Nigeria. This individual, you understand that was a slip of tongue. You know, but you are hanging on that because you already have your mind elsewhere. You are looking for every mistake to validate your hatred on her. We are all human beings. We know how those things play, man. How can you just think that will sell? We know. PM have made a lot of slip of tongue in the past, which US capitalize on that, looking for a way to tear him down. We have talked about this before, but since you guys are bringing it up, we continue talking about it. That is just a fact. We continue talking about it because you guys are the one bringing it up. Now, another comment here said, okay, I don't want to respond on this live video on any comment that is singing praises of what we are doing here on this platform, or no, I don't need it, because I want to answer some of the questions and some of the kind of puzzles that people are trying to throw out in the public. He said leader, okay, BNL leader used to be very intelligent. Okay, this one is just general comments. So let us go to this one. Okay, let me use direct. Okay, another person here said this. I'm gonna read that. The name is Ajud1980. You know yourself. Okay, your write-up is quite long, not too long, but we're gonna go through it. Although Biafrans have actually thrown some comment under his own comment. Let me read it. Every reasonable person that has been in this Biafran struggling, Biafran struggle, not struggling. I don't know. English is not my language anyway. In Biafran struggling, let me read the way it is. Every reasonable person that have been in this Biafran struggling supposed to have sense by now. So he's made this comment based on the video that I made about BNL leader, okay, and the BNL leader, that is the Princewill Richard or something like that. And he said, "What is this?" So let us hear him with reasonable, as somebody who is reasonable. Let us see his comment. Anyone following Dr. Ngozi Olabo said Olabo. It's not Olabo. Okay, go Olabo. Anyway, Ngozi Olabo and contributing money to her should contribute money to her. Should that money they are should know there's no here. They should know that that money they are contributing is not going to any Biafran forces. Only her knows who she is, knows what she is doing with the money Biafrans are contributing. I just hope the eyes of Biafrans contributing to her should open. I don't support Ogenkere. I wouldn't have responded or react to this very comment. I would have, but you see this last part that's caught my attention, and that's why when I read, I said, "Wow, okay." He said, "I don't support Ogenkere, but as it stands now, it is only Ogenkere is giving all the Biafran forces money till date. Why Dr. Ngozi Olaboeze, I'm reading the way he put it, Olaboeze, using Biafran money for something else." He have already made it clear that he's not supporting Ogenkere, but in his own result after researching that Ogenkere is one giving money to them. Okay, before I say what I want to say, let us go down to the comment. Somebody said, Alozina Ambrose said, "But my brother," that's when you hear this, "but my brother," sounds like gangsters trying to recognize their comrade. I will leave it there. Let's go to the comment. "But my brother, if you already confirmed that it is only Ogechukwu with the love name, not Ogekere, but Ogechukwu Nkere, you can put another name to beautify it because you are so much in love with him. That's why he's saying that Ogechukwu Nkere, who is doing the right thing, why not supporting him as we are doing, as he himself are doing?" Okay. Then he came down again, said, "We don't support." Okay, listen. "We don't support someone because of his handsomeness, beautifulness, or his or her originality, but by what she or he does. Think twice." Preaching to that guy that made a comment. Reasons why he must fall back to support Ogenkere. But the question he asked this guy is very, very good. Do you understand it? Since you have found out that Ogenkere is getting it right according to your comment, why are you now running away from Ogenkere? Why? You should go to Ogenkere, isn't it? But let me tell you my own take from the first comment, because there's another comment here which I'm going to continue, but I just want to say something about these two before we move forward. This guy who claimed that CS or USB are not giving any man on ground anything, this is something that they need to begin to pay close attention to. Men on ground are not like living like you. They are not living like you that wake up in your house, you sleep and eat food and you cook, you take shower, you dust your food, you iron your clothes, you go. They are not like that. They are living in the bush. I'm not here to tell you that I am supporting any crime, any criminality, but we are here to say it the way it is. When you see them complaining, somebody or someone must have called them to lie to them. They know those people, they know them for years now. So what they says may hold more water than what they don't know will say. Because these are security people. They build trust. They don't just jump into anybody because you are handsome, you are eloquent in your word. No. Somebody like Success, yesterday on the video of Princewill, made it clear that he saw what CS was doing, everything was nice, but he paused after Success contacted him telling him what to do, what he failed, and everything. He changed his mind, even though within his own subconsciousness, he already knew that COS is getting right, that everything that COS was doing or has done in Finland before the declaration and after the declaration was nice. He was okay with it. Then this success called him and said, brother, are you following this Ingozi? He said, yes. He said, no, you better fall back. You better come back because we are not with him. We are not with her, rather. Prince Will did not balance his argument well. He said, oh, he started realizing, okay, there's no document that support this lady to become PM surrogate. That PM did not sign any document and said this person will succeed if I'm not here, anything at all. That is second in command. He did not tell you the document signed by PM to tell you that okay, will be command. No. But because of the thought that he built already with success and all these people that are people that he know, now this is my guy, so we used to work together, we know each other, and they are no longer here, and I have to follow them. Do you understand it? That's why I felt like pardoning him with that statement. But he should also realize that it's not about these people. You should also pay attention. This Biafra you are fighting, it's for everybody, isn't it? Then who have the majority or the trust or the love of the people? It is not about your fellow cabal. It's about the will of the people. As long as you are fighting for everyone. But if you are, let's assume that Biafran Government in Israel is just like a club. You register, you join. Anytime you want to go, you go. They can sack you. But as long as it has to do with something that is hereditary, the origin where you come from, automatically you know that kind of thing. Because my own ancestral land is part of this thing you are doing. So if you want to say, oh, don't talk, that's why I said, many of you saying that we're going to go touch you, you are going to do this, you're going to do that, I will ban you from land and that. This thing you are fighting, my land is involved. So if my land is involved, automatically I have a say. If you are not fighting only for Olo State, like people from Abo, just Abo people, or you are fighting only for people from Osoka, this is for everybody. That's why if you have something to say, say it. But my advice is make sure that your brain is working. Study what is going on without any sentiment, without bias. Understand what is going on. Then know what to say. I'm not saying you should say everything. Something that you don't know, you can avoid it. But how can you tell me that, like this comment here, that COS is not giving money to men on ground? To you, he's not giving. You don't have any valid reason to say that. Somebody who are pursuing his or her own interests come online and tell you that COS is not giving anything. Money may get to the men on ground. They may tell them that it's from Ogenkere without telling them the source of the money. And you are in your comfort zone claiming that, oh, because of commander have said this, therefore that is how it is. You forgot that commander is a human being. People can lie to commander. If you are doubting me, COS have come out. She came out and explained everything with the people that are in the cabinet, right? They told everybody that they have been sending money to men on ground, and they have proof, they have the receipt. That they're not going to send it in public, but the receipt is there. That's what they said, right? And they said, if you are one of the people complaining from homeland, men on ground, that you are not receiving anything, go to your commander, go to your general, meaning that general have been receiving it, and general, maybe general did not tell you who, when he give you your own, you don't know where the money come from. He made it clear. And since it's not almost 1 week, she made that broadcast. Or get the one, I can't remember the dates. Okay? But days has come and gone. Nobody have come out and said that thing they said is a lie. No commander, no general, nothing have come out and said, oh, CS lied. How can you say we should? Do you understand it? And ever since that then, there's no other commander that have come out and said, I'm not receiving any payment. Ask yourself why. But you guys are eager to follow what Sonakpara will dish out. Sonakpara dishing out what he's dishing out is not for you to consume it for your own good. No, he's doing it for you to follow him to gain what he wants to achieve, which is not what you yourself that are following that want to achieve. As simple as that. Now, this is me telling you that issue of not giving anything to men on ground is not true. That's just a fact. It's not true. And somebody said again, you are a fool No, I don't mean to read it out. Let's continue. This is the person is just trying to reply the guy that's claiming that there's no money going to men on ground and all that. Another person said, is it only men on ground that will restore Biafra? Diplomatic move is more important than shooting Egbe without direction. Shooting Egbe without direction. Any man on ground who is working with USB, USB, that's the United States of Biafra, don't come to social media to complain of not payment. But those who are working with Oginkere and the Oyoshi, I'm reading what he's saying. They want to receive double salary without doing anything. COS Rabeze, without doing anything. COS Rabeze is not the Biafra you people are fighting. Ogenkere Oyoshi refused to give account to Simon and collected 150M police uniform without presenting the uniform on 29th November redeclaration of USB United States of Biafra. This abroad just highlights few things, but the issue of collecting 150 million, I'm not aware of it. I don't have any proof. Do you understand? But people keep on saying that I know Gekere somehow have not come out publicly. Maybe have done that, or I don't have access to that. Declare that, denounce or clear air on that. But even if you clear air, there's some questionable characters and involvement, some of the activities that he's doing that will make you to be like, what is going on? So that kind of thing, somehow validating that rumor. But I will leave it there. So you yourself can decide on that. But to me, I don't have any clear evidence against him on that. But the issue, whether they send money to him or not, it is clear that he lied a lot. And that's a red flag to me. That's a red flag. You don't lie when you are fighting for freedom. You don't. You can do lie or propaganda to your opponent. Those who know, God bless Dr. Nkoso Rapeze. I don't want to read all the praises here. I'm looking for Ogenkere group. That's the comment I'm interested on. Have you asked yourself? Have you asked your so-called Ogenkere? Okay, I leave this one. Okay, let us visit this. Now, another person I know. I don't even need to read what he said before knowing that this guy is against USB, because I know him. I know this account very well. His one. I don't know what he mean by his one. He said Mr. Analyzer. Gente. Mr. Analyzer. This one is directly to me. If you claim to be neutral, why haven't analyzed Ngozi Fulani's camp? You think you are talking to kids. I beg you, go and rest. And then number two, he made two comments. Every Igbo man wants to say the truth, but end up lying. Truth is not universal. It is either your truth or you are truth or my truth. So what you are saying is your truth. That is the brain. Now let me tell you the mindset of the people. Imagining two people. One don't have hair at all. The other one is growing his hair. Two individuals, the same age, everything, the same look. Maybe two twins that look like that. They're the same, has the same figure. All right, one keep hair, one don't keep hair. Then people are looking for people that keep hair. Everybody will want people that have hair, boys that have their hair grown very, very big, and the other one don't have hair. And we are to talk about those that have hair. I am not telling you the one that don't have hair decided to put on wig, lying, pretend that he have hair, but the truth is that he don't have hair. Then I find out that he don't have hair. What he has is wig. He just trying to camouflage it, lying to people to make them to believe that he have hair. Then I come out to analyze these two people. Then I start telling you that this one have hair, original hair that he grew up. He trained his hair. He spent money on his hair, making sure that the hair look beautiful. The other one don't have any hair. From naturally, he don't have hair. He don't grow hair. Then After telling you that this one have hair, I was able to tell you how this guy feels is weak, and I was able to tell you how soft the other guy's hair, original hair, is. That's my analysis. Are you following what I'm saying? Then somebody like this person will now come out and tell me that my analysis is wrong, that I should also, the way I'm praising the ray hair, this one spend time to grow, and how much he spend on maintaining it. I should also go to face the other guy that I know that has wig, that should praise that wig, that is than how much he's spending on training that wig. To him, that's the best analysis. I don't know if those who have some ability to reason will understand what I'm saying very, very quick. Because I already know what you have is weak. That is the analysis. That's where the analysis ends. Do you understand? That is where the analysis about you ends. Because what you have is just in a easy culture. You don't have any hair at all. People that somehow believe that this guy that do with this wig is original natural hair, expecting me when I'm doing the analysis on how nice the other guy's hair is, that I should start telling them also how the texture of this wig and the cream that the guy is using, when I know that that is fake hair. Do you understand? He said that I don't analyze a COS camp. What do you want me to analyze there? To tell you that they are fake, or to that I don't understand what do you want me to analyze there? So I don't have the capacity to open your skull to do some touches in your brain for you to understand. But those who understand will understand. And learn how to remove sentiment when listening to other people's opinion, for you to be able to merge what you think you know and the real thing that others believe on. Okay? Somebody said this is another guy, one of the haters of my platform, Jerry Becky. That is JERRYBEKE. Okay, this guy. Sometimes I feel like banning him from the platform. On the second thought, I said, okay, let me just allow him to be one of the nuisance here, because he sometimes in every village need the and then a drunkard, people who are somehow not useless, but people who are just there to entertain people, to cause one or two things. And then you look in that. Sometimes not important, and I will leave it there. Kai TV, you are the real problem of Biafra. Kai TV, you are the real problem of Biafra movement, because your propaganda to other persons, other people's comments are false. You lie again by saying you are not there to please anybody, but you are there to please your COS. It is out there to see. It is out there to see where you are speaking. Like I said, if your father is have this kind of addiction of taking alcohol, or not ezigbo alcohol, I'm talking about ogogoro, original akparacha. Your father is known for that in your community, in your village. Okay? And the other, maybe your friend, his father is coordinated, a civil servant. Then somebody want to talk about how people used to behave after getting drunk, after after taking all manner of concussion, and the person use your father as an example. You know your father is how he behaved after drinking. Sometimes you will be ashamed of yourself that sometimes your father will pee on his clothes. Then the person use your father as an example. Does it mean that person is speaking in favor of the other person? That his father is a civil servant and well coordinated? You should go to your father and make sure that your father start managing his life very well, so that he will not be used as an example when drunken people are being discussed. That's my answer to what you said. And some other people, let me just show that comment and then we call it off. This one said it is all bullshit. It's just let's get this. Let me look for another comment that has to do with what we're talking about. I don't want what I'm seeing here seems to be, nice, somehow nice comment and all that. I don't need it now. I just want to reply some of them with propaganda and all that. Okay, he said PM was not tagged when Ebubago and Ozodemba was in operation. This guy could be one of the group buying our people now, want to tag Dr. Ngara. Okay, talking about the guy that said all manner of nonsense about people donating money and myself and the other people. So let me just skip that. Poor people don't fight for freedom. Go and ask if you are not supporting the USB government, DPM, you are nothing to Biafra. I'm just struggling to look for another comment, but to be honest with you, this is the comment that I have. Okay, this one said, okay, that's comment that this guy made before that I did not even did I respond to that? I said, Mr. Analyzer, if you are claiming to be neutral, you have not analyzed. I have done that. He said again, every Igbo man want to be saying the truth, but end up lying. You should talk to your people that claim that they are Ndibo, Ndi Igbo na Ndi Egede. You should channel this comment to them. They tell you that they are standing on the truth. My identity is the truth. I am truth. After everything, what happened? What happened? They will turn around to Miss Yan again. That's what they do. Okay, that's what they do. So I don't want to. Now let me say this because somebody actually said something very interesting. I did not say it when I was analyzing that video. In that video, I did not say something like that. And this our brother, our sister, said it better. He said, this man just exposed something that you should talk about. Talking about the video that I made about Prince Will, where he told us why he decided not to support US. And this our brother that made this comment, I really appreciate you because what you said, you just nailed it in the short form. He said, this man talking about Prince Will, the leader of BNL, he said that's a different national league. This man just exposed something that you should talk about. He said he was contracted, and not only him, so many of the fighters have also been contracted too, and turned against Ngozi by this someone. There's some mistake there. By this some successes. It means talking about success, and this explains why the reason. This explains why the reason why success was removed. They did not believe Ngozi will make headway on until now. The success, I think success had been removed before because immediately US dissolved cabinet. Intel has started flying even before the declaration. They already know their target, but they don't know what CS will respond. They are aware that CS have something to offer, but they don't know what is that in. They prepare themselves. They hijack many places, waiting for her to make a move. Then they will dish it out. So when she finally made a move by saying that cabinet is hereby dissolved in that podium, they started planning and plotting everything. According to Prince Will, he said that the call came in, even though he have after he must have seen how CS conducted everything, and her speech to him was nice. He was happy with. In fact, he said in his own word that he started following her. Do you understand that? Like now, I don't follow you, I don't pay attention to you, but now I have seen what you are doing. You just what I want. Do you understand? That's kind of feeling that the guy got. But being that there's a long time trust that they have built among each other, it was so easy for him to fall back. My boy, we have come to an end of this video. Thank you so much for your time, and make sure you like the video. Tell me what you think about what we've discussed so far. What's your take on that? And if I miss anything, of course, in the next video, we're going to touch it, of course. Keep your comment coming. I don't joke with comment because there I know how you feel and how you reason about what is happening. Our own is to see it and you have the final decision. This platform, you don't support killing of anybody or violence, criminality, lies. We are not for that. And I will leave it. If you think that what I'm saying is more, somehow it's not favoring you, you don't like it, maybe someday it will favor you. I don't mean to hurt your feeling or attack anybody, but let us know where we stand and what we are doing. The meaning of what we are doing. Are you doing what you are doing to favor somebody's interest? Does that thing has something to offer to your own interest? Because many of us are not aware of these things that I just said now. Many people that are following and shouting and they have personal interest. Why is such an affront? It's interesting to be in contact and in touch, in command and directing men on ground. Not any other thing. And if anything that goes against that, she will abandon this her interest to make sure she put you down and continue forging ahead. That kind of people will lead you astray. So many of them, I don't need to start mentioning them again here. But I use why is and friends because her own is too common to see. God bless you and bye bye for now.